For anybody that wants to know where I pick up my materials for my rubber roofing, ABC Supply, Wilmington, North Carolina. I'm sure if you Google ABC Supply near me or near you, you'll find another one just like it. So if you need supplies for EPDM rubber for your mobile home, this is where you're going to look. If you don't have an ABC Supply, you can also check for Best Distributing. They carry it also. If for some chance you can't find an ABC Supply store or a Best Distributing, maybe you'll try Beacon Building Products. They also sell EPDM rubber and everything that I use on my mobile home repairs. All right, everybody, back for day 2. The second step, or should I say the final step, in how to stop leaks on your mobile home. The easiest, probably the cheapest way. And today we're doing the top coat on what we started yesterday. So this will be video 2 of 2. All the way across there. Yeah, all of that. We don't want to leave it like yesterday. Yesterday was kneaded good and thick so we can put that cloth in it. Today it's just kind of a simple top coat. It's beautiful. So if your mobile home is leaking and you cannot afford thousands of dollars, this is something you can do yourself. Just like I say in all my videos, be careful where you put your feet. Make sure you know what you're doing. Don't send up somebody that doesn't know how to do this. It's walking on this place that can damage it more than anything. So you got to know where to walk. Other than that, it's a very simple process. And for the most part, if it's just down the edges, you can do it literally from the edges. Lean a ladder up against your house. For what we did, you could do it off a ladder. If you have to do the whole roof, you're going to have to get up on top. Be careful where you walk. Although, if you do damage, that's going to be the best time to have it done because you're fixing it. So the hydrostop, if you make a crack or you have a crack in your seam or on your roof anywhere, the primer, the hydrostop felt, left for 24 hours and then come back with this top coat and you are finished. Will not leak anymore, at least for a long time. It's not maintenance free, but you'll have no issues for probably years. This will fix a pretty good size hole. It will fix a pretty good size hole if you have one. And if it's too big, you can always put a piece of metal down and rivet or screw and then top coat with your 3-part system. Pretty simple. Paintbrush or a paint roller, whatever you want to use. Most important part is the first video, cleaning. You want to make sure you clean the best you can anywhere you're going to apply this stuff. Nice and clean as you can get it. You're not going to get all that stuff off unless you come up here with a pressure washer and really blow this thing hard, because some of that is literally underneath the coats of, or the layers of Cool Seal that's been done throughout the years. This felt material comes in different widths. You can get it 6 inches wide, you can get it 8 inches wide, 12 inches wide, 16 inches wide, 2 feet wide, 4 feet wide, 6 foot wide, anything you want just about. And this is what makes this not crack where you have cracks. So if your roof has cracks in it and the seams are breaking, this 3-part system right here will completely seal any cracks that you may have. Mold and mildew. Or just particles in the air. Leaves. Pine straw. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. You're never going to get, I will, you're never going to get all that stuff off, okay? But you can use bleaching water and soap and do the best you can in the area that you're going to do this hydro stuff. Step number 1. Step number 2. Step number 3. If you don't get this part of the step, you might as well forget about it and go ahead and put cool seal. This is the most major part of it. So you get the first 2 steps done, let it sit 24 hours. Come back the next day and hit it again with a top coat. Make sure you got good coverage over the edges, which we'll go back and check that again. And it's a done deal. Leak fixed. Now over here they added a metal porch on, and all they did was silicone the gap between the metal and the mobile home, so of course it always leaked back there. So we washed it where we're going to apply our hydro stop. Put our bottom coat on, primer, put our felt in there that comes with it, hydro stop felt, and then today is the top coat. And he can't get all them areas up above, so he's going to hit the top with a paintbrush and make sure nothing's going to get behind that. And then this will be finished. Today, like I said, this is the easiest part. Is the second part, third part, whatever you want to call it. Always try to find your rafter before you put your foot down. Okay, on this one they're every 16 inches, sometimes they're every 2 feet. Probably want to paint around that pipe root before we're done. And like I said, I want to check these outside areas right at the gutter area to make sure they're looking nice and stuck.
That's pretty good when I went down.
Yeah, okay, good. Foot placement is so important. If you don't have OSB or something up here.
Don't walk anywhere.
No, don't just come up here walking around. Check out my other videos. We do rubber roofing if you're new to the channel. We do rubber roofing. We install OSB up here, 6-inch overhang, rubber roof. It's amazing. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't seen that, check out them videos. But this is the fastest, easiest, and best way to fix a leak on a mobile home. A small leak, not the whole roof. You can do the whole roof, but this is for small leak repair only, what we're showing today. Ooh, so I want to be able to fit all these grooves. It's not ready.
Not really?
No, I got to get it all in the grooves. Got to do this before you can move on to the next step. All right, every one of them. See how it's pulling every time? It's coming to me. I don't want to be able to. I don't want to have problems getting these things to lay in. It just takes a minute. Go across this thing. Get them down in there. And hold it. Nice. Nice and tucked. You might want to wear gloves. I'm just not a glove guy. I'm just not a glove guy. No, I'm not a glove guy. I had to get me another piece real small here. Filling that in down there. Oh, got it right here. Got it. Got one. Okay, that's all I needed. Need you to get down here with that though first. Put this in there after you get that all wet. Nice.
I ain't trying to use much.
Yeah, no, you don't want to because you want it to dry. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Again, in my opinion, this is the best leak repair for a single wide mobile home other than my rubber roof, which is a permanent repair. But the bottom coat plus that felt material that you've seen us put in will fix 95% of mobile home leaks, and they will fix just about all of your mobile home leaks if you have a seam that is coming apart. So if your mobile home is making a lot of noise at night, rippling a lot, there's a good possibility that you have enough movement that the seam can eventually come loose. And if that does happen, this can fix that seam if needed. You might have to install a piece of aluminum flashing over the top of the seam first, and then do this three-part step that we do with this hydro stop. But it can still be done. Still be done, people. This is a repair that you can do on your own, especially if it's only at the bottom edge. So thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. So again, see you when we get there.